Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new witch skin from Fall Guys Season 2. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. Also, remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the hat. Draw a long, skinny oval like this on an angle, but leave a gap on the top. On the left side of the gap, now we're going to draw the small skull. Draw a circle, but leave it open at the bottom. At the bottom now, draw 3 small bumps to close it off. Then draw the eyes of the skull. Make this first one bigger and the other eye smaller. Draw the nose in the center with a small upside down V. From the top of the skull, draw a diagonal line up. Curve it to the right and back down on an angle. Close it off at the bottom with the rounded line. Draw another rounded line here for the band on the hat. And that's it for the hat. Let's draw the bangs next. Draw a curved line down here under the hat. Curve it back up and stop here. Draw another curve coming down next to it on the right and curve it back up to meet the hat. Draw the same shape on the left side. This one should line up under the skull. Now draw a circle under the bangs in the center for the face. Draw the eyes with 2 rounded rectangular shapes and color them in black. Now let's draw the hair. Draw 2 rounded lines on either side of the face like this. Stop them around the same level as the bottom of the face. On the right side, draw a curved line up and out. Next, draw an upside down V shape. Another shorter curved line up and out. Curve it back in. Then, from the hat, draw a line down and square it off and connect it to the rest of the hair. Let's draw the other side of the hair now. On the left side, draw a curved line up and out. Draw a small upside down V. Curve it back up. Draw another V. Short line up. And then draw a wavy line down from the hat to close it off. And that's it for the hair. Now let's do the body. Draw 2 lines down here for the sides. Draw a curved line across here for the top of the shirt. In the middle of this line, draw 2 lines down and out to make an upside down V shape. Then from the bottom of these lines, connect it back up to the top corner. These triangles will be the collar of the shirt. Next, in the middle, draw 2 small circles for the buttons. Next, let's draw the belt. Under the buttons, draw a rectangle for the belt buckle. Draw another smaller rectangle inside the first one. Draw a small horizontal rectangle inside on the right. Now draw a curved horizontal line from the side of the buckle out to the side of the body. Do the same thing on the other side. Draw the sides of the belt with 2 small lines down. Draw lines back in for the bottom of the belt. Now let's draw the arms. From the top corner of the shirt, draw a curved line out and down. From the top of the belt, draw another curved line out and down. Connect the 2 lines here. Now let's draw the hand. Draw a hook shape for the thumb, then 3 bumps for the fingers, and then close off the hand. Do the same thing for the other arm. Next, let's draw the skirt. From the bottom of the belt, draw short lines down and out. Then connect them with a wavy line. Draw another wavy line inside. Draw 1 more layer to the skirt the same way, but don't add the second wavy line. Next, let's draw the legs. Draw 4 short lines down here. Next, draw the feet like this. Finish it off with a curved line at the ankle. And that's it for the Fall Guys witch skin. Let's color it in now. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.